Drawings version 8 can run with a software key that gives you the freedom to work without worrying about where you have placed your USB hardware key. This also leaves one more USB port available for any other use. Existing customers can work with their USB hardware key or have it replaced with a software key upon request. In this video, we will show you how to use the software key. At the end of the installation, you are prompted to select whether your software will ship to you containing a serial number or a USB security key. Use this option if you have a USB key, or this option if you have a serial number and activation code. Now you need to type the serial number and the activation code into the respective fields. To proceed with the activation, you need to be connected to the internet. After typing the key and activation code, press Activate to proceed. The success message means that your software key is activated and the installation continues. As soon as the installation finishes, you can work with the newly installed software. Have in mind that if you want to use the software in any other computer, you need to first log out the key from the computer you are currently working on. Using the software key utility, you can temporarily deactivate the software from that computer and then reactivate it using the same serial number and activation code on another computer. Just remember that the key can be activated on only one computer at any given time.